Yeah. Oh, shut the fuck up. So look at my face. It's Fancy Beauty, right? So we just finished bowling at Bowmore Lanes. And guess who won?
Me!
Lies, I won. Okay.
You won the second round, I won the first.
If you add up all the points from both of the games, who won?
I did.
Yeah, right, because in the second game I had a lead and she did it. She fucking lost.
You know why? Because I taught him how to fucking bowl. I should have fucking kept my mouth shut.
Honestly, you should have, because after she told me how to actually bowl, I deadass started winning. Shit. Woo!
Oh, look at that glow. Oh, the jelly glow, man.
I don't have glow. I don't look better. Yo, she's been doing this with her scarf all night. Stop, Michelle. Fucking cunt. Move.
You're mad pussy or whatever.
America. Stop. Oh, wait, why am I? Oh, this is zooming in. Michelle! Get the fuck away from the ledge.
Come on. It's a big ass ledge.
No, it's not. Cut it out. Michelle! This isn't funny. She thinks her life is like a joke or something, and cut it out.
Like I told you guys in the beginning. Nothing ever goes my way. What? Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Je suis muy bien. Je m'appelle Michelle.
Parmesan!
I said Parmesan.
Shorty said jump Parmesan.
My nigga, we gonna fucking get killed here. I think that's a dead end.
A vending machine.
It's lit. Helicopter. Heliport. Hey. Oh my god, is this like the 50 Shades of Grey? Are you doing this right now? Like right now? I'm about to Oh my god. Where are we going to Venice?
No, we're going to Dykeman. Okay guys, so what the fuck should I get? This doesn't look shady at all, and like somebody's gonna pop up from the back.
Oh my god, I want something to drink actually.
Does it take Apple Pay? This shit looks like it's been here for like 8 years. Yo, they have a big ass bag of crunchy Cheetos. When does it expire though? March 27th.
2000 what?
It's good.
It's good. You see all the runners over here fucking being healthy and shit.
Oh.
You see us at vending machines.
They're running by like, look at those fat motherfuckers.
We walked 9 blocks. We deserve this.
This is our reward. This is that as a scam. Like, I'm gonna be negative $2 million. Watch. I want number 10. Yeah, yeah. Oh, shut the fuck up! Oh, we got Talk in my house. Oh my god, this is the best day of my life. Yo, life has been so great. Oh, I thought it was stuck. Wait. Wait, this one is dead ass stuck. Wait, nah. Yes, helpful. Get it. No.
You gotta stick or something. Oh, pincho.
Hey.
You got a stick?
No. Shake it. Shake the machine. Yeah. And then it's gonna get into there. Life isn't fair.
Faxi was dumb hype about them too fucking.
God was like, here's two. It's like, yes.
This shit don't move, my nigga. Get a gum, nigga. We need gum anyways. Imagine it stays on top. It's
call the police because I'm not moving. Okay, what should I get? I feel like this will hit it hard enough.
Which one?
The chocolate chips, but the gum might do it.
I don't know, bro. Kind of want gum.
Okay, look.
Wait. Wait, you gotta wait.
Yo.
My nigga, just walk away.
Yo.
Just walk away.
Hello.
Take that. Wait, I'm dying.
Fuck you mean I spend more money?
Okay, wait. Yeah, it's not.
We should have just walked away because now I spent like $6. Put your phone in there, cuz.
Tú tienes un tornillo pa. Oh, next time we're gonna come with the tornillos.
Aye.
Oh wait, esta está loose.
Yes, that's your nail breaking.
This kind of stick.
We need to find a gun to shoot this shit down.
I'm putting my fucking hand. Shit,
Oh shit, you almost got it. Go, go, go.
I need a stick.
You need some longer acrylics.
Okay, wait. Let's see what we have in my toolbox.
Oh, a Metro card, a card could do it.
Fuck out of here, I'm gonna lose my fucking ASAP Metro card.
Okay, so you're just gonna lose your fucking lotion?
I don't need this shit.
Oh wait,
Oh wait, nah, it's not gonna work.
Almost. Oh, it's almost there. Yeah, just hit it up. Oh. Almost, yo. I would then suck your dick if you did that shit right now. Come on.
The fat ass is okay.
Oh my god, I'm gonna suck your dick. Yes! We only been here for 3 hours, but it's worth it.
Wait,
and I only spent like $60, but it's worth
So you
it.
actually paid for this shit because
Facts, I paid for that shit. For real.
wait.
Cheetos, breaking my diet. Yo, why did I even, like, did I want this? Yes, I wanted this.
The guy made a fucking gum, stupid ass.
That shit would have still gotten stuck.
You should have gotten another one.
Okay guys, my arm hurts. That was like a lot for
Chill,
tonight. Okay, bye guys.
Bye guys, if this is the last vlog you'll ever see of us, I'm so sorry because follow, it's Michelle Marino.
Bye.